Hey guys, this is David. I'm going to show you how to fix an E1 F3 code on your Whirlpool front loading clothes washer. Okay, to fix this error, you're going to need two simple tools. You need a bowl to catch some water, and you're going to need a drill as well. So what I've done is I've cleared out the whole space, pushed my dryer back, and come around to the side here. I'm going to show you what we're dealing with. We're going to take off this back panel right here. So we're going to need a hex screwdriver. And then also you're going to unplug the washer as well before you work on it. I've also turned off the water just in case. So I've taken the back off of the washer, and now I'm going to show you the filter, which probably is causing that issue. So Steve's going to go ahead and bring the camera down there. I got the flashlight shine on it. And Steve, go ahead and point at it as well, if you can, with your hand. There you go. So we're going to unscrew that. So we're going to get our bowl and put it underneath there, and all the junk that's in there should go and wash on out. Okay, so we got the bowl underneath there. Steve is filming, so he's gonna unlock that. Turn it counterclockwise. I got the light right here. He's gonna undo it slowly. Some water's gonna be coming out. Make sure you have enough space in your bowl there. Then the junk should start coming out here once you get that off the whole way. Steve's turning that thing. Steve's a great picture of the bowl. Okay, let's get pop one out there. I'll get some stuff in there for sure. Pour out the whole way for me. So, went ahead and pulled out the filter. This is what we found in there. So not a ton of stuff, so we're gonna restart the washer, see what happens. So we went ahead and put the filter back on, put the back on with the screws obviously. Ran through 2 cycles and it's good to go. And that's how you get that error off your front load washing machine.